Hey YouTube, Shay Love Hair here to talk about Zury V8910 collection. This hair that I have in is from an install video I did that I released. I don't know, it's not even released yet, but I'll probably release it today. Anyway, if you're watching this video, the other one should already be released anyway. I did an installation video on this hair where I mixed two of the curl patterns of the Zury V8910. I mixed the Water Wave and the Bohemian, and I'm taking it out after 1 week. I'm taking it out. I wanted to let you guys know why. I know I usually like take it out or do whatever and then tell you guys about it later, but I wanted to do this video just to show you. So like I said, the hair that I have in is the Bohemian and the Water Wave made by Zury. What I wanted to do was create like an Afrocentric kind of curly big afro, and which I did. It looked really natural, but the hair kind of went left like real quick for me. I always wondered why Zury had such mixed reviews. Like people were talking about it's trash, they don't like it, and I had worn the rod set and I had worn the Bohemian, and I loved both of them. So I didn't understand what in the world these people were talking about. So I just kept moving and making magic, right? Like I just kept installing hair because I loved it. So when I had the idea to mix the Bohemian and the Water Wave, it was because, you know, like I wanted it to look really natural. Like if you do a twist out on your own hair, it's not going to be the same size. You know, each curl is not going to be the same size and the same pattern. I mean, I get it can be if you're professional, but if you're not, it's not going to look like that. So I wanted it to look natural, like I had did my own twist out on my hair. So I wanted to mix a similar curl pattern, but not the exact, you know, not the identical curl pattern. So I wanted to mix those two. This was my first time experiencing the Water Wave, and it was hell. I don't know any other way to put that. It was hell. Anyway, let me show you the curl patterns. This one is the Bohemian curl pattern. Like it's a bit tighter. And then this is the Water Wave. Can you see that, babe? Okay. And these are them together. And see, there's not much difference. Like the Water Wave is a bit larger, but they're very similar. And so, you know, you would think that these would mesh well and, you know, would give me the look that I so desired. And initially it did. Like when I first put it in, like it was fire. But then like the next day it was over. The fire was out. So yeah, like, so what happened was the Bohemian, it stayed perfect. Like you can see the Bohemian peeking out. Like the Bohemian part is perfect. But the frizzy part that you see is Water Wave. Like Water Wave, it drew up, it frizzed, it knotted, it matted. Like I had to cut out half of the Water Wave like on the second day. And then like it's just been downhill ever since. Like I did this little pin-up thing, try to make it through the week of work, but I hate it. I hate it. Now I see what people were talking about. Like they probably got the Water Wave and just thought the whole line was trash after that. Like if I had tried Water Wave first, there's no way I would have tried anything else. But the rod set and the Bohemian, those did me right. Like I love them and I'll definitely go back and wear those. But Water Wave, I don't know what happened. And I've had Water Wave hair before, and it's not the curl pattern because I've tried Water Wave like with free twists and stuff, and it's perfection. But this here is not where it's at for real. Like it's not where it's at. So, you know, I cannot get on board with that. I can't even lie. And I love Zury. You know, I'm not saying don't buy Zury or whatever, but Water Wave is just not for me. So what I did was, and you'll be able to see in the installation video, so please go check that out, where I did the knotless up top and then the regular throughout, and then I left my perimeter out so that it would look natural. And for the most part, it does look natural. I didn't twist out my hair. Like I usually like do a twist out on my perimeter so that it blends in, but I didn't do a twist out last night because I already kind of had it made up in my mind that I was going to take it out anyway. So there's really no point in me trying to be extra today. So I just basically like pinned it back to just make it look like some. But you know, if you know me, like my hair is supposed to be laid, and this is not laid. Like, and see how it's got like this hump right here? Like, it's because the water wave has like drawn up and it's like matted in the root here, and then the Bohemian is like peeking out. It's madness. It's madness. I tell you, it's madness. So anyway, Bohemian, yes, a million times yes. If you want something Afrocentric that's gonna be pretty and you know, easy to manage, definitely go with Bohemian. But I will leave water wave alone, in my opinion. But you know, try it if you will, and if you must, go ahead. I will be taking this out tonight and probably installing some different hair that I got, and I'll do a tutorial on that and a review, follow up, and all of that stuff, you know, in the next couple weeks. So that should be, you know, on the lookout. Be on the lookout for that. So my husband, baby, I swear I thought he was raising his hand, but I guess not. Anyway, so if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. I have a lot more videos coming. This was just a quick impromptu video before I took this hair out, just so you could see what I was talking about. I didn't want to explain it and not be able to show you, so you guys can see. Like, it's just super frizzy, and like you can see the Bohemian, but then you see like this frizzy stuff. Like, this is the water wave. Like, there's not even a curl pattern for it anymore. It's just frizzy hair. So anyway, I want you guys to see that. Anyway, I won't take up any more of your time. If you have any questions about the hair or any suggestions on how to make the water wave act right, you know, please leave me in the comments to let me know. Also, check us out on Facebook at We Love Hair. And follow me on Instagram at Shay Love Hair. Thank you so much for watching and all your love and support. Peace and blessings.